Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Cancers. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Wands, Justice in reverse. So Cancers, in your situation, guys, you are someone who is really experienced and you are someone who believes in certain ideals or beliefs, and you have a particular way of doing things. You follow certain rules and ideas for yourself, so you stick to that no matter what and you proceed in that particular way. But the people in your situation, it may be this situation may be in your work or it may be in your personal life, so they may see you as someone who's rigid and who is not willing to be flexible or adapt. So they see you as a stubborn person holding on to whatever they think is right, and they feel really stressed and they do not feel like relating to you or talking to you, suggesting you to change, because no matter how hard they try to tell you the way they feel, you do not give up your ways and you do not change for anything. And that is the reason this person may feel really worried, because they feel that whatever they do or however hard they try, and no matter what love they have for you, you are not willing to change. So some kind of a misunderstanding is there. Maybe you are trying to do things in the right way. That is the reason for your stubbornness or rigidity, but this person may see it as something else. Maybe they see it as your unwillingness to adapt or unwillingness to be flexible with them, guys. Cancers. And this person, guys, it may be again in your work or in your personal life. Maybe for some of you, there is a circumstance, maybe you are working hard, doing a lot today, but all your efforts are not giving the expected results. So some kind of worries because of that. So it may be in your work situation, and you may be seeing some financial difficulties, guys, today. Cancers, may be certain delays or suspensions of projects you may be seeing today. And for some of you Cancers, there is a situation, maybe this person sees you as someone stubborn and not listening, not flexible, but there is a surprise waiting for you. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, there is a surprise person visiting you. So this person may be someone like your dream person. So they are coming here to visit you, maybe, guys, and all that expectations you have for your person, this person meets all those expectations and they are coming to surprise you. If you are open to a relationship, you have someone coming towards you, guys. But if you are already in a connection, maybe this person is coming to surprise you. Maybe you would have had some arguments regarding your stubbornness or that lack of flexibility, and you may feel that they are angry and they will not come to see you or anything. But today they are going to surprise you, guys. They are coming to see you because they love you. So that is the energy with these cards, Cancers, for your general reading. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having, so in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.